Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
For thine is the kingdom.
I can see you.
That's good.
I know who you are.
That's awesome. You can see me, I know who you are.
You want to know who we are?
Huh?
You want to know who we are?
I don't really care, actually.
Say hi to your mother for me.
No,
We
we're
are
not doing
contracted
anything.
mercenaries. Mercenaries not of justice, not of light or of aid.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello there.
Hello?
I can
Hello?
see you.
Who's this?
We know everything about you.
Hello?
We are contracted mercenaries. Mercenaries not of justice, not of light or of aid. We are mercenaries but of darkness, pain, and suffering. We are your consequence.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello there.
I'm sorry?
Can I tell you a secret?
You?
I know who you are.
What?
I know who you are. We are everything you are afraid of. You want to know who we are?
Hello?
Do you really want to know who I am? We are contracted mercenaries. Mercenaries not of justice, not of light or of aid. We are mercenaries but of darkness, pain, and suffering.
You should probably take off the filter so I can hear what you're saying.
We are your watchers. We are your consequence.
Come on, airport.
Oh, how pathetic. You dare beg for the justice you so arrogantly denied others. No one notices if someone disappears, if they're already hiding in the darkness. Say hi to your mother for me. Say hi to your mother for me. You better make sure your doors are locked tonight. You better make sure your doors are locked tonight. No one notices if someone disappears, if they're already hiding in the darkness. I am the monster that hides under your bed. Do I scare you?
You're a coward.
I can see you. Do you really want to know who I am?
Hello?
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 Hello there.
Who is this?
Can I I tell you a secret?
What?
Do you really want to know who I am?
Hello?
We are everything you are afraid of.
Hello?
We are contracted mercenaries. Mercenaries not of justice, not of light or of aid. We are mercenaries but of darkness, pain, and suffering. We are your watchers.
Hey.
You better make sure your doors are locked tonight. I know what you did.
Yeah, me know what you do too. You chat too much. Come on, by phone.
I know who you are. Can I tell you a secret? I know who you are. I can see you. What do you fear the most?
Go stop your mother.
I know what you did. Do you think you scare me?
I'm annoyed.
Are you feeling brave on this day? Say hi to your mother for me. We are contracted mercenaries. Mercenaries not of justice, not of light or of aid. We are mercenaries but of darkness, pain, and suffering.
Uno come suck up my pussy. Who say my blood clot call me? You think I'm afraid of no vice?
You better make sure your doors are locked tonight. We operate in darkness, and the authorities cannot stop what they cannot see.
Star Wars.
I am the noises you hear in the night.
Kaya na lang to do their blood clot ready. But they don't fit there.
You better make sure your doors are locked tonight.
Yeah, yeah.